Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to cancel an order on walmart.com. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in walmart.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Walmart if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top right corner, as you can see, you have your items, your account, and your grocery store shop cart. We have your search bar here where you can search for everything at Walmart online and in store. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and cancel an order on walmart.com. So to cancel an order on walmart.com, you need to go and follow these few steps. First of all, of course, what you need to do is log into your Walmart account. So go to the top right corner and of course go and click on your account, sign in, and click again on account. Then when you click on your account, you'll have a lot of different options. What you need to go and click on is the purchase history. Then when you're in the purchase history, find the order you wish to cancel, click the request cancellation button. Just know that this option may not be available if the order has already been prepared for pickup. In that case, contact Walmart customer service for assistance. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.